I do not believe that we should limit the platforms that transgender women have to be represented. You say that there are different platforms for them, no? However, bakit pa natin sila i-exclude sa meron na? Miss Universe is the most well-known, most well-recognized beauty contest there is. And for them to have a spotlight on that mainstream, on that stage, no, is a big step toward inclusivity, toward diversity. Meaning that mas maraming pagkakakilanlan ang babae, womanhood.
But you have to remember that nag-allow lang ang Miss Universe for transgender 2022 nung nagkaroon ng thigh owner. Kaya lang nila inopen. Did you research na last night lang na iba ang owner ng Miss Universe? If iisipin natin na nabalik siya sa USA ulit, do you think na allow pa din? And may credibility ba talaga if a transgender join this pageant? And do you think na yung advocacy nila is talaga bang nakikita or nagagamit lang sila dahil malapit nang mabankrupt ang owner or ang company ng Miss Universe?